Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Battle.net authentication after 2FA lockout, full guide step by step clearly. If you find yourself locked out of your Battle.net account due to two-factor authentication, follow these steps to restore access. Start by visiting the Battle.net website. Log into your account as you normally would. Once prompted, enter your email and password. When the two-factor authentication request appears, select the option for having trouble accessing your authenticator. This will redirect you to the account recovery options. Choose the method you want to receive verification through. This could be an email or a phone number linked to your account. Follow the on-screen instructions to receive a verification code. Check your email or SMS for the verification code. Enter the code in the provided field on the website. If the code is accepted, you will proceed to reset your two-factor authentication. If you cannot access your email or phone number, look for the option to verify your identity through a security question or recovery code. Answer the security question accurately if prompted. In case you have recovery codes saved, you can use one of those to regain access. Once you're back into your account, navigate to the security settings. Here, you can update or remove your existing authenticator. Follow the instructions to set up a new authenticator if desired. Make sure to save any new backup codes provided during the process. Finally, confirm that your account security settings are updated and functioning correctly. You should now have restored access to your Battle.net account without 2FA lockout issues. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.